I think there's no one answer to that question. I think a lot of people connect with food very differently. Some people take a slow and low approach to appreciating, food, which is where I would kind of put myself in. And some people want, now, immediate, hot, fast. And I think it's actually how you approach food is kind of how you approach life. I think there's a direct correlation between that immediacy, that instant gratification, that just more necessity to eat versus I'm going to take my time. I'm going to enjoy this process. I'm going to curate the ingredients. I'm going to ensure that everyone that's enjoying it with me gets that same feeling I get. It's really, a symbol of how you approach life and how you approach business. And, I think I look at how people interact with food, and I'm usually pretty spot on with my assumption of how they approach certain aspects, because that slow mentality approach takes patience. And patience in a business setting will always give you an incredible product, and the same goes for a meal.